In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com effectively for your manufacturing needs. Let's dive right in and get started with setting up your workflow so everything runs smoothly. First things first, you'll need to log into Monday.com. If you haven't already created an account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard. This is your command center where all your boards and tasks will live. Now, let's create a new board which will serve as the central hub for your manufacturing project. To do this, look for the Plus New Board button and click on it. A board in Monday.com is essentially a space where you can organize everything related to your project, sort of like a digital whiteboard that the whole team can see. After clicking Plus New Board, Monday.com offers you several templates to choose from, specifically designed for various project types and needs. Since we're focusing on manufacturing, you might find it helpful to select one of the manufacturing-related templates. If nothing fits perfectly, no worries, simply start from scratch and customize it to match your workflow. Once you've selected a template or decided to go from scratch, it's time to name your board. Choose a meaningful name that reflects the project or process you'll be managing. This helps keep things organized and makes it easier for your team to navigate. With your board in place, it's time to add tasks. Tasks are the individual units of work required to complete your project. Think of them as the building blocks of your workflow. Click on the board, then look for an option to Add Task. Enter all the relevant details for each task, such as its name and deadline, to provide clarity and direction. Organizing your tasks is crucial to ensure efficiency. Consider grouping them into different sections or categories that reflect various stages of your manufacturing process. This way, you can track the progress of each phase and prioritize tasks accordingly. One of the great things about Monday.com is its ability to visualize tasks in many formats. Use different views like Kanban, Gantt, or calendar views, which can help you see your tasks from different perspectives, making it easier to understand your workflow and keep track of timelines. Automation is your friend when it comes to cutting down on repetitive work. Explore Monday.com's automation features to streamline your workflow. You can set up automated triggers to send alerts or update statuses, keeping everyone in the loop without manual updates. Don't forget to regularly update your task statuses. This practice ensures everyone is aware of what's happening at any given time. A status update acts like a pulse check for your project. Finally, be proactive in managing timelines. Reassign tasks or adjust due dates as needed to accommodate shifts in priority or resources. Keeping everything up to date helps avoid bottlenecks and keeps your project on schedule. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Monday.com for your manufacturing needs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.